Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps, you will search about the application of Pokémon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pokémon Go. Then you will update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget